Hello, my name's James Sandman. I'm one of the directors here at WAM Training. Well, COVID-19, what a mess. So let me take you through our training centre so you can see what we're doing here at WAM Training to protect you from the COVID-19 pandemic. So what are we doing here at WAM Training to keep you safe? Upon arrival, we'll get you to complete a COVID-19 declaration and we'll take a photo of your ID. We've also developed a COVID-19 policy and precautions document, which is constantly being updated with all the new relevant information from the Australian governments. Every WAM Training employee has completed the Department of Health COVID-19 infection control course. We've increased cleaning regime across all aspects of our business. High traffic touch points such as door handles, handrails are being cleaned multiple times per day. Bathrooms are being cleaned multiple times throughout the day. Classroom tables are wiped prior to every class. Hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, Glen 20 and gloves are all available. With regards to social distancing, we've made sure that every one of our classrooms is set up to comfortably allow for one table per trainee, with at least 4 square metres of floor space per person. We've even set up alfresco training rooms to really give you space. So what are we asking you to do? To start with, if you're not feeling 100%, please stay home. Keep at least 1.5 metres away from others, and let's give handshakes a miss. Even sharing things like pens during this time is not okay. So we'll allocate you to your own table, chair, training materials and stationery to minimise the risk. If you're after training on your site, we'll ask you for a full rundown of the precautions that you've got in place to keep your staff and ours safe. We're here to provide the safety training your business needs to remain OH&S compliant and ensure all of your employees arrive home safely after every workday. Never has it been so important in all our existence as a training provider to live up to our motto: train safe, work safe, home safe.